Have you ever wondered what the future holds for human evolution and technology? This question is not just a matter of curiosity but a reflection of our collective journey. From the simple invention of the wheel to the complex world of the internet, each step has been an incredible leap forward. And now, we stand on the precipice of another seismic shift. A shift that could redefine the very essence of being human. We're talking about the convergence of the human brain with artificial intelligence. Imagine a world where your thoughts could control your devices, where paralysis could be overcome, where the mysteries of the brain could be unlocked. This is not a science fiction plot, it's the mission of a company called Neuralink. Founded by Elon Musk, the mind behind SpaceX and Tesla, Neuralink is tirelessly working to turn these seemingly impossible ideas into reality. Neuralink is at the forefront of neurotechnology, a field that has the potential to revolutionize our lives. This Silicon Valley startup is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect humans and computers. It's a concept that sounds more like a storyline from a futuristic novel than a project currently in development. The company's goal is not just to keep up with artificial intelligence, but to enhance human cognition. Neuralink envisions a world where humans can coexist with artificial intelligence, not as inferiors but as equals. It's a bold vision and one that could change our understanding of what it means to be human. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's hard not to be intrigued by the possibilities. The idea of merging man and machine is no longer just a thought experiment. It's a reality that's being built right now, piece by piece, by the dedicated team at Neuralink. Are you ready to explore this brave new world? Are you ready to meet the future where technology and humanity intertwine in ways we can barely imagine? If so, join us as we delve into the fascinating journey of Neuralink and its audacious mission to merge man and machine. In the heart of Silicon Valley, in 2016, a new player entered the tech arena, Neuralink. This was no ordinary startup, it was the brainchild of Elon Musk, a man renowned for pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Musk, a visionary with a knack for making science fiction a reality, teamed up with a group of leading neuroscientists and engineers, creating a formidable force ready to make waves in the world of neurotechnology. Neuralink was born out of a deep-rooted desire to bridge the gap between humans and artificial intelligence. This vision was driven by Musk's belief that humanity was at risk of becoming obsolete in the age of AI. Neuralink, in essence, was his answer to this existential threat. It was, in Musk's own words, about symbiosis with artificial intelligence. The initial intentions and goals of the company were twofold. First, Neuralink aimed to create devices that could help alleviate the symptoms of chronic medical conditions. This included a wide range of neurological disorders, from Parkinson's disease to epilepsy. The idea was to use high-bandwidth, biocompatible, brain-machine interfaces to stimulate or suppress neural activity, effectively treating these debilitating conditions. But Neuralink's ambitions didn't stop at treating diseases. The company's second, and perhaps more audacious goal, was to augment human cognition. By implanting chips into the human brain, Neuralink hoped to enhance mental capabilities, increase memory capacity, and even enable direct interfacing with computers. The company envisioned a future where humans could communicate telepathically, learn new skills instantly, and even back up their memories, much like a hard drive. These goals may sound like something straight out of a science fiction novel, but for Musk and his team, they were simply the next logical steps in technological evolution. Yet the road to turning these lofty ideas into reality was not going to be easy. With such ambitious goals, Neuralink had a long and challenging journey ahead. Turning an ambitious vision into reality is no small task, and the development of Neuralink was no exception. Neuralink's journey began as an audacious idea in the mind of Elon Musk and his team. They dared to dream of a world where humans could interface directly with digital technology, an unprecedented step in the evolution of our relationship with machines. But, like all groundbreaking ventures, the road to realization was laden with obstacles and trials. The initial stages of Neuralink's development saw the team focusing on creating a device that was safe, effective, and small enough to be implanted in the human brain. This was no easy feat. It required vast amounts of research, countless hours of testing, and the development of new technologies. One of the key technological advancements made during this phase was the creation of ultra-thin, flexible threads. These threads, thinner than a human hair could be implanted in the brain with minimal damage. This marked a significant step forward in the development of brain-machine interfaces. However, the journey was not without its challenges. One of the most significant hurdles faced by the team was ensuring the safety and efficacy of the device. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ, and any intervention carries risks. But with meticulous testing and rigorous safety protocols, Neuralink was able to mitigate these risks. Alongside these technological advancements and challenges, Neuralink also achieved several milestones. In 2022, the company announced that it had successfully implanted a chip in a monkey, allowing it to play a video game using its mind. This was followed by the successful implantation of the Neuralink device in a human patient in 2023, demonstrating the feasibility of the technology. Despite the many challenges, Neuralink has made significant strides in its mission. It has successfully turned a seemingly far-fetched idea into a tangible reality. The journey is far from over, but the progress made so far points to a future where the line between humans and machines becomes increasingly blurred. Despite the many challenges, Neuralink has made significant strides in its mission. Fast forward to today, Neuralink stands on the cusp of a technological breakthrough. This cutting-edge company, under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, has made strides in the realm of neurotechnology that were once only imagined in science fiction. In a recent demonstration, Neuralink showcased a monkey successfully playing a video game using just its mind, thanks to the chip implanted in its brain. The implications of such a technology are vast and transformative. It's not just about playing video games without a controller, but about paving the way for humans to interact with the digital world in completely new ways. Neuralink is now preparing for the next big leap: human trials. The goal? To implant their high-bandwidth brain-machine interfaces in willing human participants. It's a step that carries enormous potential for the treatment of neurological disorders and for augmenting human cognition. Imagine a world where paralysis could be overcome, where the blind might see again, or where your mind could interact directly with your smart devices. But equally, this step brings challenges. The human brain is a complex and delicate organ, and implanting a chip in it is no small feat. The process involves drilling holes into the skull and inserting tiny threads, thinner than a human hair, into the brain. It's a procedure that requires precision, safety, and a deep understanding of the human brain, all of which Neuralink is striving to achieve. The company is also facing regulatory hurdles. It must convince the relevant authorities that its technology is safe, effective, and ethically sound. It's a long road, but one that Neuralink is committed to traveling. Despite these challenges, Neuralink continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. The company is not just developing a product, it's pioneering a new field, a new way of interacting with technology that could redefine our relationship with the digital world. Neuralink stands at the forefront of a new era in technology, one where humans and machines might become one. This is not a distant, far-off future, this is Neuralink today. As we gaze into the future, what might we expect from Neuralink? As we traverse the bridge between science and fiction, we find ourselves within the realm of Neuralink's potential. The implications of this technology are vast and multifaceted, promising to redefine our understanding of the human brain and its capabilities. At the forefront of these implications is the potential to treat neurological conditions. Imagine a world where disorders such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy are not debilitating realities, but conquerable challenges. Neuralink's technology could provide the key to unlocking treatments, or even cures, for these conditions. This possibility alone paints a future filled with hope for millions around the globe. But the potential of Neuralink goes beyond treating existing conditions. It could also usher in an era of cognitive enhancement, pushing the boundaries of human intelligence, memory, and perception. We could be looking at a future where learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or understanding complex mathematical theories could be as simple as downloading a new app. Yet with great power comes great responsibility. The potential of Neuralink brings with it a host of ethical concerns. Questions about privacy, consent, and the very nature of what it means to be human begin to surface. Could we risk creating a society where those with enhancements have an unfair advantage over those without? Could we inadvertently open the door to new forms of exploitation or surveillance? These are not just hypothetical questions, but real issues that we, as a society, will need to confront and answer. It's a delicate balancing act between harnessing the potential of this technology and ensuring it's used responsibly and ethically. The future of Neuralink, much like the future of technology and human evolution, remains an exciting mystery, waiting to be unraveled. As we stand on the precipice of this new frontier, we are reminded of our limitless potential and the responsibility that comes with it. The next chapter of human evolution is being written, and Neuralink is poised to be a key player in this unfolding narrative.